to Bombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limbo Mukhala. I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness the Betway Premiership clash between TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Sundowns. A game as of futures concluded the scoreline of 3-2 in favor of TS Galaxy. And now with the fan here, critics wrote Maniami, came Benjani, TS Galaxy, something like Alia win, Alana, Uchablenganan.
Ngathi ngijabulile ukuthi TS yawina mara ifavor iTS game ngoba uRef futhi wayenza kakhona kuyabonakala ukuthi uthengiwe.
Hayi Mandulo, uthengwe ngubani?
Uthengiwe the way ma favors the way awayenza kakhona akayenza igame befair.
Wena labo bani ma favor Nduna yami?
Uyenzela TS.
TS Galaxy njani ngoba TS Galaxy ayikho ayilweli top 8 isurvival relegation ngibala lamendela ama favor
ifavor ukuthi yona ikhona kuba enibhakanisa sa league.
Hayi man Pakaniya.
Yes
Mana idlala ukuthi Pakaniya dlala TS Galaxy neOrlando dlala TS Galaxy
ayibhekisise kahle.
Sure.
iTS idlale kahle na Sundowns idlale kahle but the only problem uRef unema favors yayo and ungayibhekisisa kahle last game yebhakaniya na TS ukunima favors iRef kayenzani same ref beka favor ini iTS and then the goalkeeper kayenzani ngathi usakungakho important but today userious why
Moka khunduna yami